Pig.
Pigs.
Pigs. Pig. Big pig asked, "Where is my pin? Is it in the bin?" "No, it is not. It's it
Is
it in the pin pit?" "No, it is not. Is it in the kit?" "Oh yes, it is."
marvellous. Great job, Gavin.
Good job.